lumber production is changing and the way people are really converting stuff on their own property to usable lumber instead of a pile of firewood. We milled a little over 8,000 board feet of mixed hardwoods off of the harvest from Grace Farms. This is what we call the log dog. It's a more of an eccentric piece of steel that just basically holds the piece we're cutting against these right angle braces. Keeps everything square. Basically 2-inch thick material. That allows it to be recut down to 1 inch if they want to use it for something smaller. It allows it to be glued for tabletops. We're given a variety of different widths, so that allows for really the most possible uses for the mix of wood species that we have here. So this gives them the most versatility on the load. Okay, these are 12s. 12 foot long, 8-quarter by 14. You have 3. Those are nice ones.
This has been quite a project.
Quite a project, yeah.
Almost finished.
It's really making a prediction on what you're going to get out of each board. Kind of like fitting as many of the finished product into the board as you can. You're going to have a story to tell every time you either sit at a piece or look at a piece you use in this project. You got a story to tell of where that wood came from. And how sustainable it was to cut it right off the property here and use it right on site. So that's good stuff.
That's funny. I like it.
We took the lumber that we cut, we began it on the drying cycle, basically stacked it for air drying. And this basically allows for air to flow through the pile, which allows the moisture that the wood's got in it to come out and be removed. It does take a while to get the moisture out of the inside to the surface and away. Okay, so it's made the long trip to the kiln. What happens now is these doors go on. These make a temperature and humidity constant box.